to my channel。 今天我们继续来积累在工作中你一定可以用上的实用英语表达。第一个表达 fill in， fill in 表示代替、填补、填写。比如 I'll need you to fill in for me at a meeting tomorrow as I have another appointment。 再比如 Could you please fill in this form and return it to me by the end of the day。 接下来这个表达 take over， take over 表示接管、接受。比如 The new CEO will officially take over the company next month。 再比如 John will take over the project management responsibilities while I'm on vacation。 接下来 wind up， wind up 表示收尾、结束。比如 It's time to wind up the negotiation and reach a decision。 再比如 We need to wind up the annual budget planning and submit it to the finance department for approval。 接下来 weigh up， weigh up 表示衡量。比如 Before making a decision, it's important to weigh up all the pros and cons。 再比如 Let's weigh up the potential risks before proceeding with the project。Okay, that's all for today's video. 最后，如果你想系统学习更多职场商务英语，我推荐你可以看我的 Lola 外企职场英语课程，在上面会提供最干货的商务英语内容，大家可以点击置顶那个链接来了解更多。最后呢，别忘了点赞并关注我的频道，我们快下个视频见，拜。